If you're trying to find the best software for automating your dropshipping business, you've probably come across Doba and Oberlo. But which one actually has better automation for your store? That's what we'll be diving into today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform is more suited to your dropshipping needs, plus a better alternative I've personally tested that you might want to consider instead. Let's start by comparing Doba's automation capabilities. Doba offers a streamlined system that connects you directly with suppliers. One of the major benefits is their order automation. With just a few clicks, you can easily push orders to suppliers, saving you time and effort. This feature alone can cut down on a lot of manual tasks and prevent you from missing orders. But here's the downside. Doba's automation is a bit more rigid. You don't have as much control over the order fulfillment process, and it's sometimes difficult to sync the system with your store as smoothly as you'd like. Next thing to consider is Oberlo's automation. Oberlo is often the go-to for Shopify users, and it's designed specifically to integrate well with the platform. The order fulfillment feature is also automated, just like Doba's. The difference? Oberlo gives you more flexibility in choosing which suppliers to work with and allows for a better sync between your store and the automation system. However, while Oberlo does provide some great automation tools, they can still feel a bit limited when compared to other platforms. You might find yourself doing a bit more manual work than you'd expect, especially when managing inventory. Now, let's look at the product sourcing automation. Doba comes with an extensive product catalog, so if you're looking to add a variety of items quickly, it's a strong choice. Their automation allows you to quickly import products into your store without too much hassle. However, the catalog isn't as customizable as you might want. You're pretty much stuck with what they offer, and if you need to niche down or find more unique products, you could hit some walls. Oberlo, on the other hand, provides a much more robust system for sourcing products. With Oberlo, you can easily browse through their marketplace and get products from a variety of suppliers. The automation here is top-notch when it comes to product importing, and you have the ability to choose from a range of suppliers, giving you more control. The problem, though, is that Oberlo's system isn't perfect. You might run into issues with syncing data properly, and it's not as reliable with some suppliers, especially when it comes to stock levels. The fourth thing to note is pricing. Doba's pricing can be a bit tricky. While they offer a wide range of products and a solid automation system, the monthly fees can add up quickly, especially if you're just starting out and don't have a large volume of sales yet. They also charge per supplier connection, which could mean extra costs down the line. Oberlo, being integrated with Shopify, is free for basic use, but you'll need to pay for the Shopify subscription, and the paid features within Oberlo aren't always worth the extra cost. Now, it's time for me to give my honest take. Both Doba and Oberlo are decent options for automating your dropshipping business, but neither one is perfect. After trying both myself, I found that Doba's order automation is straightforward, but lacks flexibility, while Oberlo's flexibility comes at the price of occasional syncing issues. If you want an automation solution that works seamlessly and is tailored to your specific needs, there's an even better alternative out there. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to a free trial of this platform, which I personally recommend for anyone serious about dropshipping. It's got the automation you need without the hassle, and you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, while Doba and Oberlo have their merits, if you want the best automation for dropshipping and a smoother overall experience, make sure you check out the link in the description to get started with this game-changing alternative.